Let's go, sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just like.
Hello, everyone. I'm going to be carrying the show today.
Yes, please. I've carried you for 39 years.
Because, someone doesn't seem to be doing so great. But welcome back to another episode of Sibling Rivalry.
Welcome, everybody.
Episode 51.
We didn't celebrate 50. What were we doing?
We're still busy being nervous.
Yeah, too busy speaking too much English. Oh man, we literally just let it go past.
So what are we supposed to do? What? What are we supposed to do?
Anything, something. Nobody.
Okay.
Well, I guess we're looking forward to 100.
No, absolutely. Otherwise, igama lami nguZuko Ndima.
And my name is Talita Ndima.
Yeah.
And we are siblings. So if it's your first time, welcome. Do you know how many subscribers we have now?
No.
Nama, I haven't been checking this week. It's so weird.
Yeah,
And
I don't
used
know.
to check
Now I
every
get
day.
scared. I get scared all the time now, so I do it way less. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm scared of. I don't know. But it's fine. So check out next week. Yeah, next week I'm going to be on the ball.
I saw you manifesting on your statuses, the
absolutely.
numbers.
Yeah. So
You just let them do their thing.
Yeah, no, bro. I've just come to realize, but with so many people who are in our corner, only thing I have to do is wait. So that's exactly what I'm doing.
How's your week been?
Week's been okay. Week's been fine, actually, quiet. Nothing much. Just been a lot of work.
Did you learn anything
That's all.
about yourself this past week?
No.
You ran another marathon. You didn't tell me.
No, I ran at 21.
That's half a marathon. It's still got marathon at the
Yeah.
end. But you didn't say anything.
Yeah, because it was just like, you also had things going on. You were at the market representing us. So I was just like, you know what, let me just take this one. And then I rocked it.
Oh, come on, dog. When I saw,
Askis.
I was like, I didn't even know this was happening.
Askis, bruh. No, it was 21 also.
And how was your time? Was it good?
Yeah, it was alright. Yeah, cheese on your so wet.
I saw a guy spraying people with a hose pipe.
Funding. We're going down to a hill of death funding. But it was the first time in a race, and I've been in a number of races. It was the first time, my first time in a race.
Yeah.
Banba walker, bonke. I've got
No
a
one's
video.
running.
Everyone is walking.
I saw that video.
Kwanye itela and the funding. But yeah. So yeah, that was that. But yeah.
And it was very hard.
Yeah, it was
last
blazing.
weekend. Yeah, okay.
It was
Well,
super blazing.
congratulations. I mean, we celebrate
Thank
every
you.
win.
Thank you.
And
Under pressure.
when Medal Monday comes along, we're looking for your medals, babe.
Under pressure for
Why?
Medal Monday. I must maintain Medal Monday. No, I don't have a race because it's my birthday. I don't have a race this weekend. Going to stress.
No, it's
But
fine.
anyways.
It's your birthday. That's a medal. It's
Nah?
fine. Yeah. You've lived another year.
Okay, fantastic. No, happy with that. I'll take the upgrade.
I was going to ask you about my week.
Yeah, I was just about to.
Okay.
I can see that you can't wait.
No, I can.
Sazithanda inwele zakho zenithi. I feel like guys, sizawuthetha go how are you Talita maybe for the next 45 minutes. It seems like you've got a lot on your head.
He says that I'm humble.
Umntu xa dibana nawe ngasikhe introduce kumalume wam. Umalume wam uphuma kwi-divorce. Ayityona imali inkazana ngoku wena ingathi ampatha rayithi.
I haven't done this in a long time.
Sometimes it bees like that, my G.
Fonini, ndi-right ohlobo.
Right or wrong unjalo.
Andirongwanga.
Ayikhona into off kodwa ngenwele zakho. Andichani. Kudala since I walked in the door. Kudala ndikujongile nkoma.
Ndinithi chomi.
Zikhona ithi inwele.
Sinjani?
Yezi they're a bit crazy hair.
You sound like
None of us style or what? Because bakhona abantu style sabo.
You know what? Sometimes you wake up in the morning and your hair is just like, not today, ma'am. And then you do all you can, and your hair is just like, what did I say? Not today.
Oh, you see, I don't know. I'm not connect. You understand?
But you've met women before. It's not your first day on earth. Have you never, has like, Icherako never said anything about that before?
Vele ngikome afuna ngifake effort namhlanje ebedikwe kuyazi, and I get that because I'm also just like, hey, I'm every day. Sana la menza ukwazi.
I tried everything.
Yeah.
You.
Oh man, I'm so sorry.
I should have tried Jesus. My
Does that
gosh.
not like then have a spillover into the rest of your day?
I think that, of course it does, because I
It's just
know.
a bad headache, not a bad life.
Yeah,
Jeez.
but it feels like a bad life. This is
Okay.
the problem. Yes.
Fair.
So this morning, I was just like, I've just been like, and you got right. My sleeping patterns have been so off.
Okay.
Like, I'll wake up in the middle of the night.
Yeah,
And
you
like-
texted me at like 2:30
No.
on your school night.
I'm awake, dog. Like, I was sleeping and then I'm awake. So now everything is just going wrong. So in the morning, like nothing works. And I changed so many times as well. And I had an audition. And I was just like, oh my gosh.
So if
And
man
it's
get an audition.
Oh, I hope so.
No, you know what, bro? If man allow audition, you was if man, and you feel like you did work, ne? Kasenzela ubusithini ba? Hi, Chabu. Who's that woman?
Kanin Biza. This is actually the first time I'm laughing today, so thank you.
Okay, fantastic.
I've
Facts. I
been
like
having
that.
a bad one, bro. Like, I'd gone back. Dienda Lila no Lila this morning when I was doing my hair. Because I was doing my lines and I was like, I don't want to go to this audition. It was a mess, bro. And I was like, okay, let me just sit down, Lile, and get it over with and then like keep it moving, you know? So I went, I sat on my bed, the color. I was like, then I was like, okay, Sisu, right?
No.
And I was like, yo, I think I can make it. And then I went and I did my hair. Well, if this is what the world is throwing me today, well, this is it. And I made myself a nice breakfast.
No, man.
You know what? Like, there's only so much I can do in life.
Very true.
Yes. So just keep it moving. Then I thought about the rest of the day and I was like, I have so much to do today. I don't know if I'm going to
So
make it.
little time.
Yo, bro. So ngicela niziyeke inwele zami. Inwele zami zinatural, cute. Ukusalayo.
No, ndim ndedwa los athekileyo zinwele, and now I just feel like a horrible, feel like a monster.
Yeah, uyiyo kaloku. That's how it is.
But then I'm your little brother, that's what I'm supposed to do, right?
Anyway, so my week has not been great.
Yeah.
But over the weekend, I found out something about myself that I didn't know
Okay.
at all.
Okay.
You know, you think you get to a certain age, you think like you know a lot about yourself.
Yeah.
So I found out that I'm not as discerning with people. Remember last week we were talking about
Hi, Abandu, do you listen to my body?
sure, I'm not as discerning as I think I am.
Okay. Your cousin I.
So I found out, so one of my friendship breakups, right?
Yeah.
You know how sometimes you always wonder, you never really know why it happened, blah, blah, blah. So you always wonder about, Usisilo, what is she saying?
Yeah. What's the other side of the
Yeah,
story?
well, like, what's her story?
Yeah, yeah.
Exactly. Because, you know, there's three sides to a story. So I found out a story, you know, there's my side, your side, and the truth, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So I found out her side of the story.
Narrative, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I was like, what? This is crazy. I would have never guessed by Lando. Also, you weak, Lando.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
I was
As usual.
as usual, for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
And then I felt like such a sense of relief also, because I was like, oh, I don't have to think about this anymore. It's not going to be something that's haunting me all the time anymore.
Hey, walibali birthday yekati yam.
Not a god.
Okay, sure, Buddha.
So I was relaying the story to another friend of mine. But yeah, funny. friendship yaphela ngenxa yale nto.
Yeah.
And my friend is like, oh, ayikudala ndambona uba akekho right like they
Oh,
said.
yeah.
And I was like, what? But yeah, the first time I met her, I was like, And I was like, what? And she's like, but also she's extremely intuitive. Do you know what I mean? Like she's one of those people.
Yeah.
Like Usbosh, for instance, who like her intuition is always spot on. She always knows before it happens, whatever.
Yeah.
And so she was like, I've seen Bawena, you just take things at face value a lot of the time when it comes to friendships. And then you be surprised when the friendship doesn't work out.
Oh, Moriri. Surprise Moriri.
Yeah, but also you're making me feel so self-conscious.
Coincidence. Coincidence. That's such a coincidence. I'm so sorry.
It's because you put it in the universe. Now the universe is giving you all the signs you need.
All the ammo, yeah.
So I was like, what? I said, I'm trying to like first date. Right? And then
It's like a Tommy, we got born here, number is correct.
and
I've got a theory about that.
Yeah, tell me.
So my theory is that depending on where your lack, sorry, my eyes are itchy. Depending on where you're missing, that's where discernment yakho itend to ballow. And funu ukuthi inspiration, you understand? But ikhona lana ba umuntu ufumanisa ba manje lo muntu lona i-choices zakhe in life zi-right otherwise. Imisebenzi into cha kufika owini usikungayabi ubhidwa yintoni. You understand? Or xa kufikwa ezichomini or xa kufikwa like other choices. Do you know what I mean? Uqombe no man, I don't get it. And now could it be ukuthi when it comes to certain things you're like, oh okay, cool, sharp. But when it comes to other things, then it discernment yakho iyehla because you actually want those things more, or there's
just a blockage.
Yeah, there's a gap, right? So everything else could be here, and then if friendships, there's a void danyana and a longing for, and then low gap just takes that discernment.
Oh, I see. I hear what you're saying. Very possible.
Yeah, that's just based on what you're saying.
100%. So I sat down with myself and I was just like, oh my gosh, let me like actually take a look at the ones that have fallen, along the way, and see in retrospect, because you know how, that's 2020 vision. If I had been like not as discerning, and yes. So now I'm like, why is it me in friendships that is like that?
Yes.
Why friendships out of all things?
And other things?
Like what am I?
Spill over to it's gonna spill over to other choices of things that you get involved in.
I don't know. I don't think I'm a yam.
You can't just lay issue.
If I'm being honest with myself, I don't think men are my thing. Stop.
I'm good. No, man. Bro. No, because now we're gonna talk about you number Because why? Because you're always getting blindsided.
No, not necessarily.
Exactly, because sometimes people are just whack, bro. And then
So onga not diwana now. I work. I'm not the problem.
Must also let's get to that point. Must figure it now, but out of 10 is 2. Abantu ababhadlileyo basengqondweni.
Very true. And I know that andifuni a good guy, like a good guy and bora. Do you know what I'm saying? No, but I'm just saying, like, if umuntu uyigusha uzilungele undithanda kakhulu, I'm just like, back.
I tell you.
Get a laugh, buddy.
Alright, guys.
But the thing
Go
is,
wrong, toxic.
I know that, and the thing is, ngiyayazi loo nto ngoku about myself.
Okay.
So now I'm obviously more conscious about the choices I make. I mean, I haven't had to make a choice in a while, but these bad boys because I found this out about myself.
Okay.
So ngiyayazi loo nto.
Okay, cool. And I think just to correct myself also, I think maningadi 2 out of 10 abantu barongo.
Hayibo.
Ne? Mandithi 2 out of 10 abantu mhlambi abakwi acceptable level. Abantu abaho wrong guys, abantu abahilish. Abantu abazazi
intentionally wrong.
Yes, yeah, abenzi ngamabom. Yeah. Okay. That's just the part I wanted to clarify.
100%. Other people haven't
But ke
healed.
libom ke if ke awukahili.
Eh?
Libom if awukahili.
What is libom?
Like it's on purpose.
Oh. No, maybe you're going through the journey.
Correct. Of which uyakwazi uyi-articulate. But ikhona into ubuqonda me akaloku. Ndingumntana omsindo and ke ndaziwa nasekhaya.
And this is the thing. If awuzazi about an issue, is
If
it your problem?
awuzazi sharp.
And there's a
If
lot of people.
uyazazi qha uthi it's who I am. Smoke.
Yeah, but there's more people who don't know that they have issues than people who know and
Okay.
are,
So my stat might be
Your
somewhere
stats might be
close.
completely right.
Okay, cool.
Absolutely. Because
Okay.
people are just walking around in their lives not being aware of themselves.
Yeah, for sure.
And so it's easy to function as an adult, function well as an adult.
Correct.
Because you have a job and a car and a house. And
Yeah, into zakho zihamba right for
Kodwa
you.
uyiraki,
Yeah.
Ceylon. You know what I'm saying? It's like a functioning alcoholic.
Yes, correct.
Like you have this big
Yeah,
problem.
nothing is really affected.
100%.
If relationships zakho ziyaphela zifana nomntu wonke.
Exactly.
So it's normal.
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, and we do that a lot. Live in complete disarray and dysfunction.
100%.
But ke when you look around, uqonde any man was social media siyagoa sonke.
Exactly.
Umjolo the pandemic.
100%.
No.
So you're like, oh, we're all in this together.
Yeah.
Exactly. And I think that maybe brings us to the board.
It's probably my age that makes you think I'm an adult. It's probably my age that makes you think, full stop, I'm an adult.
Money full stop, man. I think we're going to do the Kosanosis all afterwards because this is a nice segue into what I wanted us to talk about.
Sure.
And it's one of the comments that we'd had in our previous situations. And the lady was asking, we are the new adults, right? Like at home.
Yeah.
You know, because our parents are getting older, they're passing, we don't have grandparents anymore. So, you know, we kind of got next, right?
It's giving boundy. Straight.
Okay, wow.
Kodwa umntu awukanobulela. Kwenza umbulelo. Anyway,
This is the thing.
okay.
Are we ready?
No.
When are we gonna be ready?
Never.
No, but we have to be ready.
John.
Because after our parents are gone, we're gonna be the ones who have to run things in our families.
Yeah.
Like imingcwabo, we need to know what the processes are. Imichato, we need to know what the processes are. Indozo, bekuxhelwa, we need to know how those things are done right.
No, you need to know how you want to do them.
But this is the thing. Are we gonna now do them the way we want to do them?
Just like our parents did.
No, I don't think our parents did that.
Bruh, if ungavuswa okhokho bangothuka. Bangothuka. Baniphatha i-coffee mug emicimini. Bangakreka.
I coffee mug when they were around.
Hey, but ke nje into ezithile. Ngothukwa, bruh. Bruh, have you been to umcimbi lately? Uyibone ba, it's a complete chaos. Chaos, bruh. Very few izinto ezisahamba ngo some form of umca. Akusahanjwa ngomca.
But now the thing,
Kuhanjwa ngolayini. What?
there's too many laughs here.
Have you been? Okay. When is the last time you've been to emcimbini?
Umcimbi intoni like
Ngumbulelo, ngumncwabo, ngumshado, lobola negotiation, ngamabhaso, imbeleko,
I haven't been to any of those things in a long time.
uthina support it.
And invite.
Eh?
Kaloku I'm undiscerning in the friend department.
Ngomo, something.
Inkomo 10.
Yaxelwa.
Ngoku.
Hayibo.
Ngenaphi?
No, bro.
No, I hear you. There's no like sense of order. There's no sense of like kutiwa. It's almost like everything is just being thought of as we go.
Yes.
Sithina izinto, hayi buza kuthatha ubani, akekho, use next, hayi usaye down. Like you're just like, what was the actual plan here?
Yes.
Are we happy with that?
Look, I don't know, and it depends on who you are, right, and what your inclination is.
Okay, well I'm asking you.
Ah?
As uba undima.
I'm happy to take the reins.
But
Man.
do you know what to do?
No, I'll make it up as I know what I'd want to do.
Then my thing is then why doesn't the older generation just tell us what to do?
Asifuna uva from kunini kusazama ukuxelelwa. Cha asifuni ewe.
Oh, ibunja.
You learn because some things you learn by sitting. Uxhela ukufunda ngohlala xa xhelwa.
Uyakwazi uxhela?
Yeah.
Uyakwazi?
Yeah, iza nenkukhu ngoku.
Now
Bonisa ubrifit.
Sasixhelisa inkukhu sibancinci fonini before we were even in high school.
Kuthi chicken yakhumbula.
I was like, this is not cute. The white girl in me was like,
No, exactly. Ezinye izinto zifunda ngozibona and being involved xa senzeka. I know that now I've become more intentional about being around xa kusenziwa izinto ezithile. Bakhe ndikwazi ukucheck inspection ba okay into ethile isipana indlela ethile. Mhlambi if I na clarity ndiyibuze go timer ba timer into ethile ihamba njani kwathini. But ke obviously uyayazi bathina sikhule akwenziwa imisebenzi akwenziwa nononi nami koluka kwami laphuma ngezigonsi. I always laugh at that so much when amachita are ripping off abantu abaphume isingonzo or sicawa. Uthi aliphuma ngesigonzo mina. But I mean
as if uphume ngotshwala is like a
exactly, you know? So and that for me has kind of taken the pressure off a little bit. But I've also found ukuthi xa ndihamba eminye imisebenzi yohamba ndiclumsy kweminye imizi because I'm just like andizitholi ba kwenziwa ntoni apha or kuthwani. So but for me I'm perfectly happy, and what I have an issue when I have an issue ndiyayibuza kwi-time. Time nethile iqhutywa kanjani or whatever. But yeah, it's also made me really be deliberate about really being there as senzeka izinto ngizokwenza abantu ndizokwazi ukuchekisha.
Okay, fine. So we don't do a lot of like wax. We don't do wax at home, honestly. Except in Mipumo, really. That's
correct.
Like fine. Okay, fine. But I mean, okay, so if we had to, I know it's a little bit morbid, but like whatever, it's part of life. If we had to organize umncwabo, singaqala ngantoni?
What do you mean?
Like kuswelekiwe ngoku kufuneka singcwabe
box.
Okay, let's say
ngicela ngobuza ngobani bezemkhuphele i-life cover lo mntu i-funeral policy ngobani mabavele because ninayo into embi yoba nikhuphela abantu icover ngoba ningatsho. Xa nimbona umzubhela baye umzubhela engathi imeans ake zisondele imkhuphela icover so gqiba ke ngoku xa iswelekile kuphuma i-30,000 afbob nenkomo negrocery ne-airtime ye-2,000 nisela airtime nisela 2,000 niyishi 30,000. Yazi abantu bazaba nezono hleli nje bakhuphela abantu icover.
Bafondini kudala abantu banezono.
Okay, so what do you start with?
So wait, the person is at the hospital baswelekile.
Yeah.
What do you start with?
Funeral director. You phone the funeral director. Uthi me bro, ubani usesibhedlela uswelekile kuye ku20 ngoku ndizayifumana phi ideath they know the process bayazi kahle iprocess umalume engqibele uthetha naye 15 years back akazonceda ngeprocess.
Okay.
You understand?
So uzofonela
Masingcwabane Chitty Banga. Yeah.
Someone said
Is it?
Kutibunga for nini?
I know kamane kambani man.
Uvankiela.
When do yeah.
Okay.
Swam. No Blakey and Blakey.
Stop. Not Blakey.
Bye.
Okay. So ufonela also someone that you know uba insure nabo. Masingcwabane wakho kanye just anyone.
Kaloku Fondini ufonela umasingcwabane wakho omkhuphele yena lamntu not unless lamntu uxelele bandi nomasingcwabane endaweni ethile.
And this is also things we don't have conversations about.
At all.
Yeah. Because now I don't know about where now umasingcwabane wakho uphi. So I I'm like, I must call whatever. So we need to have these conversations first of all.
Fondini needs conversations ezifuneka sinazo nyani.
We're fondini because awufuna uputuzela fondini in time of stress.
Ibe imali
and do the wrong thing. Ibe imali khona you just and you don't know where it is. But this is another thing. Like abanye abazali, like if you go to them and be like, "Mama, where's your policy, bro?" Mama's like,
kaloku because nani niyabakhela abazali mos. Niyabakhela abazali.
How are we supposed to get to do the right thing? What's strong and not chap? All of us, all the time.
Melba, by the time umzali retireisha, uthi kuye, sisters, khandinike umasingcwabane wakho abhatalwe ndim. Khandilike i-life policy yakho nayo ibhatalwe ndim because izawulencwa ndim la mali.
I mean, don't put it like that, but okay.
Yeah. Because iweske life lo muntu ibhadala akasoza enjoy because iyawuphuma xa uphuma umphefumulo kuye uphuma ilife kuye policy.
Okay.
So I don't know how to even say but because I totally get it abazali banayo lanto ba yo mntu waske wanishwablela omnye uthi uzaniplana kwathini because some parents funny banemali funny ezitshisiweyo.
It's serious. And they have nonsense children and you
Correct.
know when you have a nonsense child.
Yes.
Never.
Buqome yalo anganibizela unganiqeshela abantu. So that must be so sad, man.
But you have to tell someone, do you know what I mean?
You have to tell somebody.
Someone that you trust at least. Okay, fine. So fine, let's just say you had a good relationship with your parent and now they're saying, I'm Dukubani. So now you know who to call. You know the policy to call. Now fine, they take the body and they take it to the mortuary and then Bashalepa. Now, in Gonzo, how do you now go about like setting a date? Mfunzubani,
Kerkini yake yalo.
Unailamba kerkini yake.
Maybe hamba ungayena ngenyawo.
Fika ngekhomthi.
Akaloku senjingeqhawa zofika kamgqibelo.
For nini umuntu usweleke Saturday Sunday night uzolinda
uzayazi man kerke yakhe nayo fonini ufya kerka
kerki
konix kaloku fonini uzawuthi senjuza kaloku like what is your plan, like what's your plan awukerki nawe naye akakerki okay ngoku why you gonna call the church
because abantu
nabama utshiswa lokho like this is my whole thing, like, and for me I think the biggest challenge becomes we don't want to think about things about eventualities and then sifuna uba lost, so and does wrong, I become very impatient with those kinds of situations.
You do.
Whereby I'm just like, yeah guys, like people are passing away every day. And then we're still not going to know about it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We're not that powerful.
No.
Because if we were that powerful, awunothi ulamba beswini ucimba wena ungathethe ba umuntu asweleke but awukwazi uthetha uba wena mayingapheli imali yakho kuphela kwenyanga. Do you know what I mean? So I'm just like, and so I know that it's probably a flaw of mine, but I become very impatient with things like that, where I'm just like, yo mjana, eventuality. Akho mntu ufuna ubhutuzela, masingabhutuzeli, simple. Do you know what I mean? Hence why I've had the chat time. Time I say chilo and yacho from a chance. And ifuni no iteni, ungathini, bethi finger 40, nithini, yonke into ibe grand ibe phashashi. Do you know what I mean?
No, for sure. But then there's that where your parent tells you what they want, and then the thing happens. Then the other family around you is like, no, fonini kwenziwa njena apa. Ube umuntu wayo exelele uba they want it this way.
And that I guess is where you need to establish roles and responsibilities, and maybe unomntu wakhona utsho kuye uba ifoni kabhala
Bhala phansi mtshanam.
I'll record. Send a voice note, family group.
So the people who are with them, or Shweme and Shweme, do they organize? Obviously, they have to organize by the whole for like the
package.
You package land, and then
mostly.
But now you have to choose as the person whose policy is where you want ufuna ungcwatyelwe laphi.
If akakatsho yena lamntu.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. As the person who's passed, you probably have said ngifuna ungcwatyelwe Woma Cemetery or whatever, right? So then they will organize that, and that happens. So that's not too much of a stress.
I don't think so.
It shouldn't be.
Also, ngangcwabi umuntu close, so I could be just speaking nonsense.
Then funeka kube kwintente. No.
Funeral directors, umasingcwabane maka organize. Wena mhlawumbe ufuna uorganize abantu abazazokera. Umasingcwabane kaloku uzithengele airtime, akunike inkomo, akunike imali, akunike imoto zohamba ngomncwabo, akunike inende, arrange zonke zabheat. Ibeat zonke zaway.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's what it should be.
Yes.
But also depending on what kind of masingcwabane it has, because other people take a cheaper one that doesn't have all these other things. Mhlambi ezokufaka cemetery nasefrijini qha and everything else you can. Kungcwaba lokho ufaka
storage.
In the cemetery uzakungcwaba. Masingcwabane uzakungcwaba.
No, that doesn't happen anyway.
Oh, really?
No.
So you can't choose like a lesser package that doesn't cover everything.
Package
one. This is vegetarian ekhaya uze nenkomo sozozithini.
Because nika imali enkomo 10,000 enkomo. But if it's as a vegetarian. So
okay, fine. I hear you. That's a little bit more organized. That space, yes. The funeral space is a little bit more organized. Now, in the place of like umchado, if you had to go bengunozakuzaku somewhere. Somebody's asking you bangicela ube ngunozakuzaku wami. Hayibo.
Brother, nachata nochata fethu.
So unozakuzaku aren't always married.
But bakhrot banesipillion. Just tata bispillion.
Ukhroti dog, you're almost 40.
That's the next.
So you're going to say no.
Because I've never even been in a room where that has happened.
Yeah, bro, but this is the thing. Like, how are you going to learn that?
Kaloku zawutshata fonini. Zawulana xa isenzeka kum.
Awukho fonini xa kuzelwa. Xa ulanda.
It's explainelo kaloku. Then afterwards khapha abahlali. Onenyawo yami yozakuza. Andabizwa. Xa nami andabekho head. Hadana drivela mna brother. Because I was always thinking about how I'm going to get to learn this.
And did you learn anything?
No, because I didn't go. Valelwe ngaphandle. When it comes to into zomthatho. So, yeah, I guess ezinye izinto you learn them through experience. And experience is by you going through it, maybe. So if mna ndingadrawa, then going on the next trip, then ndihamba nabahlali ke nami ndikhona pha. Then ndikhona a second trip. Third time ndidakha ninike ndiyibambe brother. You understand? Kuthiwa sicela ubuso bentombi. Nguye lo. Yabona yonke la bhithi. Ilula man la yayibona.
Oh. Now it's easy.
Yeah. So I think as you learn them as you experience them.
Yeah, but I feel like there's a lot of things that we aren't experiencing.
Yeah.
Just as like we were speaking about last week and how the community has gotten so small where you're not necessarily going to be invited to izinto ezenzekayo engingqini. You don't necessarily have to go, even if you are. You're happy in your little bubble. Then life will happen to you, and then you have to now come up with these things with no experience and like no knowledge of like what actually happens in these situations.
Yeah.
How do you then prepare yourself for izinto ezinjalo?
You ask.
You ask.
Yeah.
If you have someone to ask.
Yeah, actually, because I've actually got an example. Ekhona nyawuthi yethu who passed away earlier on in the year. And zabi parents azikho Eastern Cape and then ufumana siba sihleli ke ngoku sidibene thina apha in Joburg, and it's just youth. And then ufumana siba I literally on that day was the oldest person there.
You were the adult in the room.
So we're there all chilling together, and we're chilling jangokola kwathini, and then it's like, okay, sifuna uvaya ngokuthi gents senzo avawona umthandazo uyabo. Saphuthuzela safumana iculo akwaculwa grand, then kodwa mzubhela phone ulahlele.
Where were you guys?
At a family member's house, at his brother's house.
Okay. Also Nyovela as amajita. Yeah, and you can't just arrive there and bounce. You have to like do something. Begilizi.
Man. You understand? There's certain things, guys, that we have killed by izinto zixesha lihamba. You understand? So that's like saying
Ipatch is the least of your worries.
You know what I mean? So it's just like, okay, cool, got the phone with browser. And phone. And I left that day thinking, hey, chance, they're loud. And we really need to make sure Basite pop up, otherwise we're always gonna remain with our pants down. Coat with our pants down.
It makes me a little bit sad, like how things get diluted so quickly in front of your eyes. Because, as a kid, I know things were stronger than they were now, in my lifetime.
When I want to ginger, like in the same way.
When ginger phone it's gone zona, but the ginger and there's no back. I've been in places where yenziwa ginger, but you're not here like for the entire process of the thing, and no one's going or whatever, But I guess if that's not happening and you're interested enough, then you have to be the one that goes, who asks and be like, listen, how do we do this, man?
Yeah, no, onus is definitely on you to find out, more especially if you are unhappy with the situation. If then you have to step up and then be like, okay, cool, me, I'm gonna rock this. And then you ask about it and you rock it.
Yeah.
Funny effort, it wants you to be intentional. It wants you to be forward thinking and planning. It's just
Exactly. It's because we are the new adults. We are literally, we got next, bro. And I can't just imagine.
Listen to that, adults. Yo, we got next, bro.
Exactly. And I can't imagine like,
so much, just like they've been getting progressively worse, bro.
I know, but it doesn't make it okay. It doesn't make it.
No, not at all. It needs to be changed by somebody. But yeah, and dog, like I'm just like, as soon as we start to understand, but adulting, the better our lives be, because we'll just be more prepared. Like Tina, turn a blind eye ndanga, okay. So yeah.
Because your name will be called up one day, bro, and it's be like, oh, okay, Tamzupela. Kuozo bamba le caucus.
Correct.
Ube utegame.
Ube ngoku ungekabizwa tshona uvela funa xa ucelwa. Tshona uvela uthini funa uthini. Ayincedisi, brad, all adds up and it all comes to something at the end of the day.
I think step one, always have a bhaki ebhutini yakho.
Yabona ibhatyi ngendawo.
Why?
Now I always pando twala. Like for me, there's certain things that I'm just like, dog. You know what I mean? If I want to tell one then it's fine.
Yeah, but the thing is now, if afunu tattooing and apaki when I fine because you don't find that important, but the place that you're at, they're like, hi boo. Now you're offending grieving people.
It's fine, man. I tell you.
I don't know.
Okay. Bruh, everyone has been making this up as it just goes along. And that's exactly what we're gonna do.
Ipaki yotin anyway.
Nansoke.
Yes, Dima.
Nansoke. Yes?
And sizazela ipaki because boyki.
Yeah, understand. No mapanga paki thrifty way. Imagine. Yeah, man.
Okay. Let's close it off.
How's the badges in the fashion? Can bolek paki tally.
All right, let's excuse me. Let's close it off with some closer words.
Yeah, bona quite culture rearrange when I go.
You said, dude, rearrange it to suit your needs. Inqenzu.
Forehead, just a back.
You don't see madula. You don't.
It's the back of your head, bro.
It's the back of your head.
Yes.
There's no word for it.
No.
Blingers, let us know. The back of your head. No, there's got to be a word for it, bro.
Okay.
Okay.
And now last.
And last, I don't know everything.
Indonle.
Cough.
Oh, English close.
God.
Yeah, I wanna. Okay, sure.
Indonesian cough.
Inatsiga von Siga.
Inqenzu, the back of your head. And then izantyala.
That's
Use in a sentence, then tell us what it means.
yo for in last week hanging net for business and njala zemvula.
Then tell us what's the English word.
A lot. Waves.
English is so mild.
Oh, we don't know it. One of the two.
Heavy rains.
Yeah, but this njala don't only speak to
Raining.
rain.
Yeah, but your sentence is speaking to
Njala
rain.
zentsikelelo.
Zantyala zemali.
Izinjala zegenge.
I've never heard that before.
So it's something in abundance? No, not abundance. It's abundance is such a mild word. I feel like, think of a flood.
Yeah.
That the water is in what? It's not in abundance.
It's in a lot of...
Yeah, it's not in oversupply. It's
Yeah. Tell us in the comments. Is njala zemali? What does it mean? A lot or too much? Is it too much?
It could be.
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot. Not too much, a lot.
Is njala is too much?
It depends on what you're talking about.
Is njala zemvula? It's like way more.
It's too much now. Like, you see, that's my point.
I guess it depends on the context.
Yeah.
I think that's the answer to everything.
Okay, cool. So what I really wanted to do is because people had like put it on the thing on comments, right? Remember thina sithetha ngesikhengelele sithi ligama lethu lasendlini. Yeah, igama lasekhayeni. So other people have also like added on that,
Yes.
which I found very funny. Obviously, Ubomikazi, uti ekhaya we have number one. I'm gonna ask you to guess what these things are, right? Ekhaya we have into kutwa ipolopolo. You know, like
Oh, I saw it. Bolognese.
spaghetti bolognese,
Yes.
but ilipolopolo globo
That's so
because
cute.
umnauki.
What is that?
Umahambi okanye visitor. Kuthiwa ngumnauki. Yanauka.
Udinunauka. I'd hate to do that.
Number 3
Nauki.
izamkelo.
What's that?
Zandla.
Oh,
Hey, but
that
kepi
makes
wena
sense.
uzathi sidlanza.
Oh.
Why are you going to sidlanza?
Oh. Ooh, so-
Okay. Izamkelo, they use izamkelo for izandla. Hands. Unoyoli,
What's that?
someone who's a gossip.
So cute.
I thought that was really, really cool.
Yeah.
Usinelwa uthi yena, our family word is isqamama. We use it as dramatic. So
I've heard that word before.
yeah,
though.
but yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the last one, usiyamthanda skeme. Uthi local word iqeqe, it means umntu ongaphilanga enhloko. So I thought that was really cool. Of stuff that guys use. So yeah, all good. Thank you so much for that.
Yeah, thanks for sharing your home words. And remember, we are the next adults, so
Wow.
love each other.